I have a filter light on a Samsung fridge, water filter light. This is a Samsung double door, and the model here is, just to be precise, this one RF26 or 26 inch. Most of these fridge, the filter is here, and I ordered the replacement. You can get it from Amazon in a set. So what I ordered is set of 3. So this works in most of the fridge. So way to remove this is turn this anti-clockwise, unlock, and then pull out. So once it's turned to anti-clockwise and on unlock position, you can just pull with the 2 hand or 1 hand. So it should come out this. And what I noticed is it's the same, just to confirm if it's look same. It should go same way. Insert and then turn. Okay. Once you turn this, yeah, so it's in a lock position. It's gonna spray a little bit of water because when I fit, so this was a little bit longer model, I guess, and this is small. Oh, no, I think water coming from this. So it's all good now. Now just alarm on my fridge door. Way to reset is, it's all different. Mostly the bottom switch will work to reset it, and it says most of the fridge, it says there how to reset the filter. So you need to just hold for 3 seconds. There we go. Alarm gone. Filter has been changed, and it's good to use the water. So obviously when it's replaced first time, you just wanna let the water run for few liters, 2-3 liters, and then it should be good to go. Thanks for watching the video.